Hi, are you looking for a way to connect with your emotions and improve your physical health? In this 3-day workshop, we'll explore the connection between women's health, emotions, and hormonal changes throughout a woman's life. Day 1, we'll focus on the reasons for emotional imbalance and a yoga sequence to promote balance with techniques to reduce overthinking. Day 2, we'll examine the impact of suppressed emotions on our health, including increased stress levels, muscle tension, digestive problems, and sleep disturbances. We'll practice a yoga sequence for balance and learn techniques to release stuck emotions. Finally, on day 3, we'll discuss the relationship between chakras, emotions, and hormones. We'll practice a yoga sequence to energize these chakras. Sign up for this empowering workshop today to balance your physical and mental health. See you there.